Good evening, this is Urban Queen. Today I'm going to do a video of my everyday carry bag, what I carry every day. Everyone has an EDC. Whether it's a man, it's his wallet, his phone, his keys. If he carries a knife or what have you on the side of his waist. For a woman, it's her purse, her knapsack. For me, it's my knapsack. A clutch is what's inside and what you carry every day. So let's get into what I carry every day. So on my person, I carry my keys. On my keys, it has some pepper spray. It has my keys, and it has what is it? This is a tool to tighten the screws on my glasses if it ever comes loose. I carry my Bluetooth earpiece. There's one in my ear I'm using to record this. Let's go inside. Some tissue. A mask. We still in COVID, y'all. Don't think COVID left. Some gum. COVID hasn't gone anywhere. A little wristlet. I have multiple of these. You might see it in my other bug out bag video. A friend of mine gave me this one. This is from New York City Housing Authority. He works for. So it has the compass, emergency whistle, and the flint and steel. Some lipstick / lip gloss, some Carmex. This can be used for multiple purposes to start fires, for antibiotics, because it has medicinal properties in it. Some pens, emerald board, file my nails, and a little key ring that's attached to the book bag. 2 pens. It's my Metro card. I live in New York City. This is how we commute on public transportation using a Metro card. Or now we have Omni where you could tap and use your phone. I don't want to put that on my phone. Fan. I hadn't had that in there since the summer. Some Halls mints. A little book. This is my utensil bag. Here in New York, they don't give you have to ask for everything if you eat out. But I choose to purchase this from Amazon. It has all the utensils in it, spoon, forks, metals, straws. These are tops from water bottles. I recycle these and I use it and put it on the water bottle that I have on the outside. It's a water bottle there. Okay. I drink water off this, so that one I didn't take off my bag because I picked the have some water in it. Okay. This is usually in my person, but I have it in my bag. It's a hand warmer. It's winter time here in the city. We're in December. December 29th to be exact. Sunday. Hand knife. Southern Belle Outdoors. It's supposed to be right there. A stand for my phone. Let's see here. Charger, phone charger, his solar panel, got a flashlight, two USB ports, and a micro USB charger to charge the device. It has a carabiner clip on it. I have my rain poncho. Can be used for shelter. Poncho. We recycle here, and now in New York City, we have to have reusable bags. So this is a portable reusable bag. When you're going shopping in a supermarket, you need to carry, or you have to purchase additional bags. This is my survival kit. I would like to get a Maxpedition so I wouldn't have to use this one, because this is nothing but a cosmetic purse where I have multiple cosmetic purses I'm using for various things. And here it has a suture kit. It has some super glue, some thread. It has the pins. It has measuring tape right here. I have a first aid kit. It has a knife, some tweezers, scissors, some Q-tips, some safety pins. In the back it has some Band-Aids, and it has some AD ointment and some Benadryl in it. I would like to get them. I'm going to get another one. I think I have one, but I just have to look for it in my other bag. And some more mask with earpiece and gloves. Earplugs and gloves. I have some salon paws here, just in case you have a little pain or ache, or someone has a little pain or ache, you can have a patch to help soothe their pain. Here's what I usually was carrying when I was using my Michael Kors purse. Before I switched over to this bag, I had just this one. This is my survival bag. Original survival bag. Most of the things that's in here came from Mossy Oaks. Like this multi-tool. It comes with different tools. And it has screwdrivers right there. And some other things right there. Flint and steel. I put this on there. This is a military can opener when they have their emergency rations to open up the cans. I put this here. A flashlight. This can open, and you could put medicine or something, some tinder or something in it if you need to. These came in with the Mossy Oak as well. These are tablets, like dry tablets. You put it in water and it inflates, and you could wash your hand, wash your face, just to refresh yourself. This is not tablets, medicine tablets. This is rags. This is the spoon, fork, and knife set. It came in the Mossy Oaks. Mossy Oaks. Excuse me if I said it wrong. This is a little towel. Emergency towel. It opens up to a bigger towel. Excuse the color, but this is a wristlet, got the whistle on it. Emergency blanket. And a washer. And a notebook. That all came. That's what's in my first emergency survival bag. Okay. This is my sanitary bag. Cosmetics. Bandana. Some change I just put in there. Some cleaner wipes, like if you ate and you spilled something on yourself, you can wipe it off. Shout wiping blade. Some feminine wash up. This is some bathroom from Dollar Tree, the fake poopery. Use the bathroom. This is some portable soap I got my mom. She was sick in the hospital. I took it for soap. Washcloth. With the bag. The bag could be used for water. It's also hospital stuff. Toothpaste and toothbrush for my mom. She got sick. Some floss, dental floss. I'm always doing something in my teeth, especially if I eat any meat. And then I still have Band-Aids. Band-Aids. And this is a little mint tin, and I got my little vitamins inside. Safety pin. Okay, that's what's inside this one. I have a second phone. You can always call 911. We say 911 here in New York, or emergency services. I have a second phone in my. This was the phone I was using before. I'm using the phone that I have now, a Samsung A51 that I'm recording on. And this was the LG. Well, I use this when I record the Canon video, and I believe the chemtrails video. This came on the book bag, because on the side it has a compartment where you can charge right here. Put this through and charge your stuff. This came with the bag. Some hand cream, some body cream. Let's see what's in here. Oh, this is, I have to get someone to help me put this on my screen, the screen protector. My glasses. My Michael Kors purse with my information inside. A mouthwash. Cleanliness is next to godliness. And outside has some Germex hand sanitizer. So Benadine. Yeah, get that. Okay. I just want to say thank you for spending time with me, sharing what's in my EDC. I appreciate it if you like, share, and subscribe. Watch complete video. Excuse my voice. Watch complete video. Until next time, have a blessed and lovely day. Shalom.